So today, I know my setup looks a little bit different. I'm at my personal art studio. So I have, some messy sculpture stuff and paint all over the place. But that's how you know you have a hardworking artist, right? So we're going to do a unboxing of your supply bag today, okay? So I'm going to open up the box, or open up the bag, and I'm going to show you everything that is in this little bag full of weaving things, okay? So I'm going to unzip the bag because there's some really funky stuff in here. So you have a piece of paper, and this can work as a shuttle or a needle to help you with your weaving. Then we have this little yarn monster, which I will show you how yarn monsters work and how you can get your yarn out of your yarn monster. You have a pencil that has some thread on it. These threads here are called your weft, and these are your warp threads, okay? Then you have this little bag that kind of looks like candy with a little black line in it, okay? This is charcoal. This is charcoal. It is not candy, so do not eat it. It is charcoal, okay? So it's going to be really cool, and you're going to love working with it. I love working with charcoal. It's really, really messy, though, but it's okay. Then we have our piece of cardboard, and this is going to be our loom, okay? It's going to be what's called a loom. And then we have our little drawing of our llama, okay? So we're going to be doing like a Mexican weaving that's going to be going on our teacher's door, which is going to be really cool, and I'm really excited about it, okay? Some other things that you might need, that you might have around your house, is a pair of scissors, okay? You're going to need a pair of scissors. You're going to need some tape or glue. Either one will work fine, okay? And then you're also, if you have a pencil, that will be fabulous. Pencil or pen, okay? So that is what we have in our box, or in our bag. Thanks for being here for the unboxing of the weaving project. These bags will be outside of the school on the little table. So I'll put your name right here on these bags, and I'm going to personalize your yarn or your weft threads. So if there's any specific colors that you want or don't want, make sure that you let me know. Email me, let me know, and I'll make sure I get the colors that you need. Okay? So I cannot wait to see what you all create with this wonderful stuff. So I will see you guys later. Bye!